Okay, so this is my screen. This is my account at on Steamy.com, that blogging platform that pays us for our posts. So that basically they pay us to blog. So I'm um, I'm showing you guys some. You see, I'm writing maybe an article a day. You're supposed to write more, but I don't have so much time in my hands. So yesterday I went to a farmer's market, and I posted some pictures and like a few words, maybe 100 words, and I got paid 67 cents. By the end, actually you get paid for like a week, so it's gonna add up by the end of the week. Also, here you see $1.44 3 days ago. So basically every day I'm getting I'm writing an article and all kind of subjects, like look, me and my daughter eating out, 59 cents. I made the other day a beet salad which I liked a lot, and look, I got paid. Craft ideas, again, 81 cents. I also share some marketing lessons because I'm tutoring some students, and I have to write a lot of reflection papers and stuff like that. So whatever I think it's important for online entrepreneurs, I'm sharing here. Look, I got paid for this, or sometimes I don't. Yeah, I didn't get anything. But what I'm saying is that people don't believe that they can be paid for blogging. And look, it's true. Farmers market from yesterday. Very easy. You don't have to be like a writer, like, or write poetry. I just put some pictures. Fresh discovery. Look at this. I bought these sweet plums. I saw some people doing yoga in the park. Isn't that something? And this platform is so transparent because it shows your activity, and it's nothing to hide. You see, you have a wallet here, and they show how much money you have. For example, look at me. I have $144. Well, I I didn't take it very seriously, to be honest, because um, I didn't know what I was doing at the beginning. I started in February. It was maybe end of February, and I really didn't do much. And then, so let's say I started to post in March, April, May, June, July, August. So it was 5, 6 months. But now, as you can see, I'm constantly making, about $1 a day. I had some posts that paid $80, $60, depends on the, you know, the quality of the post or whoever liked it. There are so many factors, but what I was trying to say is that at the beginning I didn't know what I was doing. But I found a product that one of the Stinians wrote a tutorial. She's selling it for $10, but it's worth it because it gives all the shortcuts and all the information. Because this is not a very very easy concept. I mean, it wasn't very easy for me because it's in cryptocurrency, so I really didn't know anything about this stuff. But she explains everything so easy. You get paid in Steam dollars, but they are converted for you in US dollars or even in other currencies, like all other currencies, euros and stuff, depends where you live. And there is a conversion platform. She explains all these things, but your job is to write articles, and it's not a difficult job. You share something that you really like. You don't have to write something that people want. Like when you are a freelancer and you write articles for a living. That's a very hard job. I've been there, done that many years ago. You gotta follow customers' instructions and keywords, and they pay you just $1 or $2. It's very, very hard. This is Very cool. You see, you go to a restaurant with your family and you share um, your pictures, and people like interact with you, comment, and they upvote you, and you get paid. 59 cents. Come on, I just had fun one day with my daughter in a restaurant, and there is much more. I will look in another video for like the the one that I got paid like $60. I can't find there are many. I have to scroll all the way down, but that's my point. Anyway, I'm gonna put the link to that tutorial, the $10 tutorial of 9.99. It's worth it. Get it if you want to make some extra money. Why not? Learn how to do it right. Okay, so I will talk to you soon. Bye.